Thank you for joining me on this learning journey. Today we're going to be solving problem 13 from the AMC 2019 question paper. Let's read through our problem. A palindrome is a number that has the same value when read from left to right or from right to left. For example, 12,321 is a palindrome. Let n be the least three-digit integer which is not a palindrome, but which is the sum of three distinct two-digit palindromes. What is the sum of the digits of n? So I encourage you to go ahead, take a minute, pause the video, and come back and hit play whenever you're ready. So I'm assuming you've given this problem a go. Let's get started working through this problem together. So what I see first here is that it is a sum of three distinct two-digit palindromes. That's a very key piece of information. And I want you to think about what two-digit palindromes are, what two-digit palindromes there are. So we're saying a palindrome is a number that has the same value when read from left to right or from right to left. So that would be, let's think of some numbers that are like that. Let's see. There's 11, there's 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. So what do we notice about all of these palindromes? Well, they're all divisible by 11, and if we try to think through the numbers from 1 to 100, we can see that the only numbers that are palindromes are multiples of 11. So basically what it's saying is the sum of three distinct two-digit multiples of 11. And the sum of multiples of 11 would be a multiple of 11, and here's why. So a multiple of 11 is really x times 11. Or I don't need the brackets there. X times 11, where x is a whole number. So then it would be x times 11 plus y times 11 plus z times 11. And if we combine these, we really get that it's x plus y plus z times 11. And of course this has to be a multiple of 11 because you're saying times 11. And so we need to find the least three-digit number which is not a palindrome, but is a multiple of 11. And the way that we could solve this is by seeing, okay, what is the least three-digit number which is not a palindrome and is a multiple of 11? So if I think about the next multiple of 11 on our list, that would be 110. And we can immediately see that this is a three-digit number which is not a palindrome. But then again, just to be sure, we should make sure that this is a sum of three distinct two-digit palindromes. And it is, because we can see that it is, so just to narrow down which those three palindromes are, we can say that it has to be 10 times 11, right? Because 110 is 10 times 11, so x plus y plus z has to equal 10. So in this case, the answer would be 7 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10, so it would be 77 plus 22 plus 11 equals 110. And if you were to verify that, you would see that that's correct. So next, we need to find out what the sum of the digits of n is. So what is the sum of the digits of n? Well, it would have to be 1 plus 1 plus 0 or 2. And on our AMC8 test, we can see that this is answer choice A. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. I'll really appreciate it if you leave your comments, feedback, and further suggestions for additional learnings below. I'll see you in the next video.